At AEG, induction hobs are available in a variety of designs and sizes, ranging from 60 cm, which is the industry standard size, to larger 80 and 90 cm models. They are a popular alternative to gas and ceramic hobs due to being faster, safer and more responsive, as well as offering an impressive range of innovative features and technologies. Induction hobs also have superior temperature control, making them incredibly precise and a great choice for those looking to take their cooking to the next level. Whilst induction and ceramic hobs may look similar, the way they create heat is very different. Induction hobs use electromagnets to induce heat directly into the base of your pots and pans, rather than heating the glass of the hob or having a direct heat source. This makes them incredibly safe as little heat is retained after cooking, and if turned on by accident, no heat will be produced unless the correct cookware is on the hob. Because of this, induction hobs are also much easier to clean, as only the pan is heated, so spillages don't get baked onto the hob's surface. They also offer other safety features like child lock and a pause function. Another benefit of induction is that by directly heating the cookware, they use approximately 90% of the energy they produce, making them the most energy efficient and therefore most cost-effective type of hob to run. Induction hobs require all cookware to be made of a ferrous-based magnetic material. On the base of modern pans, like these from the AEG cookware set, you'll find icons showing which surfaces they can be used on. This is the symbol to look out for induction. However, if your pans don't have these markings, test them by seeing if a magnet will stick to the base of the pan. For best results, use a flat-based pan without dimples or ridges. One of the most useful features that AEG induction hobs offer is bridging technology. This allows you to link zones with shared time and temperature settings, giving you greater flexibility and allowing you to cook evenly and without cool patches when using large or specialist cookware. You'll even find models with Total Flex technology, allowing you to place cookware anywhere on the hob's surface. Other helpful features include hob to hood, where your hob and compatible cooker hood are wirelessly connected and the extractor's fan speed and lights are adjusted automatically during cooking. The assisted cooking features, including assisted boiling, frying and a specialist food sensor option, ensure precision and help you to achieve restaurant quality results at home. When it comes to installation, AEG induction hobs are compatible with worktops as thin as 12 mm, don't require front or rear ventilation or a protection plate, and can replace a ceramic or gas hob of the same size. AEG hobs should always be installed and tested by a qualified electrician. Induction hobs are generally considered safe for people with a pacemaker or insulin pump. However, some rules must be followed, and you should always consult your medical professional for guidance. If you need any more help or advice, either before purchasing or after your new appliance arrives, our dedicated consumer care team will be happy to help.